How to fix band on Live. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, open your TikTok application. Once you are here, you have to simply go for profile and click on the hamburger icon on the top right corner and simply go for setting and privacy. Once you are here, you have to simply scroll down to report a problem, and once you are here, you have to go for topics, and under topic sections you have to select the live button, and here you have to go for live is suspended. It's also called live is banned, so we're gonna go for suspended. And here, if you read these instructions here and this can't help, you need more help, so go for it. And here you have to simply tell your feedback or the problem you are facing in your live button. So once you have done writing, you can also share the screenshot of your. So that's it for now. I hope this video will help you out. So this is how to fix band on TikTok Live.